Imagine a world where the physical and digital realms seamlessly merge. Picture a reality where information travels at the speed of thought. This is the promise of 6G, the sixth generation of wireless communication technology. 6G is not just an incremental upgrade but a revolutionary leap forward. It will redefine how we connect, communicate, and interact with the world around us. 6G builds upon the foundation laid by 5G, taking wireless communication to unprecedented levels of speed, capacity, and reliability. While 5G brought us faster downloads and smoother streaming, 6G will unlock a universe of possibilities that were once confined to the realm of science fiction. From holographic communication to immersive virtual experiences, 6G will reshape our lives in profound ways. To understand the magnitude of this technological leap, it's helpful to draw a parallel with the evolution of telescopes. Just as the Hubble Space Telescope allowed us to peer deeper into the cosmos, revealing galaxies and nebulae never seen before, 6G will provide us with a new lens through which to view and interact with the world. This is not merely an evolution of technology, it's an evolution of human experience. To truly grasp the significance of 6G, we must first understand how it surpasses its predecessor, 5G. The leap from 4G to 5G was monumental, but the transition to 6G is set to be even more transformative. While 5G represented a significant advancement in mobile communication, enabling faster data speeds and lower latency, it was just the beginning. 5G brought us closer to a world where everything is connected, but 6G will make that world a reality. 6G takes these capabilities to a whole new level. It's not just an incremental improvement, it's a quantum leap forward in technology. Imagine downloading an entire movie in the blink of an eye or experiencing virtual reality with zero lag. These are not just futuristic fantasies but practical applications that 6G will make possible. These are just a glimpse of what 6G promises. The potential applications are vast and varied, touching every aspect of our daily lives. One of the key differentiators of 6G is its unparalleled speed. This isn't just about faster downloads. It's about enabling new experiences and technologies that were previously unimaginable. With theoretical download speeds of up to 1 terabit per second, 6G is 100 times faster than 5G. This means that tasks that once took minutes will now be completed in seconds. This dramatic increase in speed will enable real-time communication and data processing, eliminating the delays that currently limit our digital experiences. Imagine a world where there is no buffering, no waiting, just instant access to information and entertainment. Another crucial aspect of 6G is its ultra-low latency. This is not just a minor improvement, it's a game changer for many industries. Latency refers to the delay between a request for data and the data's arrival. In the current digital landscape, even a few milliseconds can make a significant difference. In the realm of 6G, latency will be reduced to microseconds, making it virtually imperceptible to humans. This will open up new possibilities for applications that require real-time interaction. This near-instantaneous response time will be critical for applications requiring real-time feedback, such as remote surgery and autonomous driving. Surgeons will be able to perform operations from halfway around the world with precision, and self-driving cars will react to their environment with unprecedented speed. Beyond speed and latency, 6G will also offer significantly higher bandwidth and capacity. This means that the network can handle more data and more devices simultaneously. This means that more devices can connect simultaneously without compromising network performance. Whether it's a smart home with dozens of connected devices or a smart city with millions, 6G will ensure seamless connectivity. Imagine a world where billions of devices, from smartphones to sensors, are interconnected, creating a vast and intelligent network that can respond dynamically to our needs. This is the promise of 6G, a future where technology seamlessly integrates into our lives, making everything smarter, faster, and more efficient. In the digital age, speed is not just a luxury, it's a necessity. From streaming high-definition videos to conducting complex scientific simulations, our reliance on fast and reliable internet connections is only going to increase. 6G's blistering speed of up to 1 terabit per second will be crucial in meeting these growing demands. To put this speed into perspective, imagine downloading a 4K movie in less than a second. This unprecedented speed will revolutionize the way we consume and share information. Imagine a world where you can download entire libraries of data in the blink of an eye or stream holographic videos without a hint of buffering. But the implications of 6G's speed go far beyond entertainment. It will also have a profound impact on industries such as healthcare, manufacturing, and transportation. For instance, surgeons will be able to perform remote surgeries with greater precision and control thanks to the real-time feedback provided by 6G networks. This speed will also pave the way for the development of new technologies and applications that were previously unimaginable. From self-driving cars that can communicate with each other instantaneously, to smart cities that can optimize traffic flow in real time, the possibilities are limitless. Section 4. Latency, the blink of an eye in the digital realm. In the world of technology, latency is the silent disruptor, the invisible barrier that separates the real from the virtual. It is the unseen force that can make or break our digital experiences, often without us even realizing it. It's the delay that makes video calls stutter, online games lag, and remote-controlled devices feel sluggish. This delay, though often measured in milliseconds, can feel like an eternity when you're in the middle of an important conversation or an intense gaming session. With 6G, however, latency will become a thing of the past. This next-generation technology promises to revolutionize the way we interact with the digital world, making delays virtually non-existent. Imagine a world where you can control a robot on the other side of the world with the same immediacy as if it were right in front of you. This is not just a futuristic dream, but a soon-to-be reality with the advent of 6G technology. This is the promise of 6G's ultra-low latency, which will shrink response times to mere microseconds. This means that the time it takes for data to travel from one point to another will be so short that it will be almost imperceptible. This near instantaneous feedback will be critical for applications where even the slightest delay can have significant consequences. In fields like medicine, manufacturing, and transportation, the ability to respond in real time can be the difference between success and failure. Consider the example of self-driving cars. These vehicles rely on a constant stream of data to navigate safely and efficiently. For these vehicles to navigate safely and efficiently, they need to be able to communicate with each other and with traffic infrastructure in real time. This real-time communication is essential for avoiding accidents and ensuring smooth traffic flow. With 6G's ultra-low latency, self-driving cars will be able to exchange information about their speed, location, and surroundings almost instantaneously, allowing them to avoid collisions and optimize traffic flow. This will not only make our roads safer, but also more efficient. This level of responsiveness will also be crucial for other time-sensitive applications, such as remote surgery, industrial automation, and virtual reality gaming. In these scenarios, even a slight delay can disrupt the entire process, making ultra-low latency a game-changer. With 6G, the digital world will become as responsive and interactive as the physical world, blurring the lines between the two. This seamless integration will open up new possibilities and transform the way we live, work, and play in the digital realm. Section 5. The power of reliability, a world without interruptions. In today's hyper-connected world, we've become increasingly reliant on wireless networks for everything from communication and entertainment to work and essential services. Our daily lives are intertwined with these networks, making them an indispensable part of our existence. However, current networks can be prone to interruptions, causing frustration and disruption. These interruptions can occur at the most inconvenient times, whether you're in the middle of an important business call, streaming your favorite show, or even during critical moments in emergency services. 6G aims to change that by offering unparalleled reliability. This next-generation network promises to revolutionize the way we connect, ensuring that our digital experiences are smooth and uninterrupted. Imagine a world where dropped calls, buffering videos, and network outages are a distant memory. A world where you can rely on your connection no matter where you are, whether in a bustling city or a remote countryside. 6G's robust infrastructure and advanced technologies will ensure a seamless and uninterrupted flow of data, no matter where you are or what you're doing. This means that whether you're working from home, attending a virtual meeting, or simply browsing the internet, you can do so without any hiccups. This unwavering reliability will be crucial as we become increasingly reliant on digital technologies. As our homes, workplaces, and cities become smarter, the need for a dependable network becomes even more critical. For instance, imagine a future where critical infrastructure, such as power grids and transportation systems, are managed and controlled over 6G networks. The efficiency and safety of these systems will be significantly enhanced by the reliability of 6G. The reliability of these networks will be paramount to ensure the smooth functioning of these essential services. Engineers and technicians will be able to monitor and manage these systems with greater precision and confidence. This level of reliability will also be essential for the widespread adoption of technologies like autonomous vehicles, remote surgery, and industrial automation. These advanced applications require a constant and stable connection to operate safely and effectively. Any interruption could have serious consequences, making the reliability of 6G networks even more critical. With 6G, we can be confident that our digital connections will be there when we need them most, enabling a more connected, efficient, and resilient future. This new era of connectivity will transform our lives, making the impossible possible and ensuring that we are always connected no matter what.